Meet these beautiful little lovebird babies, they are so cute. They were brought out of their home for the first time today to get some sun and get their vaccinations to protect them from disease. Stay safe. They look very excited. They are almost 3 weeks old and it will take another month for them to regain consciousness. Well, we can hand feed these babies, but we will not do that. We will keep them with their parents and their parents will feed them. It is a beautiful system of nature which is very fascinating. They look very excited. Stay connected with us to see more such beautiful and charming scenes. Thank you.